Good morning, kids. Open your phonic book to the page number 26. Today we are going to learn 3-letter words. कल हमने 2-letter words सीखे थे, आपने लिखे वो अच्छे से. आज हम 3-letter words सीखेंगे. Okay? What is the sound of A? There are 5 vowels. Okay? In the alphabet, there are 5 vowels that are A, E, I, O and U. First we will see the sound of A, vowel A. Okay. What is the picture? Bat. B-A-T, bat. What is the sound of B? B, A, T, B, A, T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Then C-A-T, cat. K-A-T, cat. K-A-T, cat. Then you have hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Okay? ऐसे आपको अच्छे से loudly बोलना है. Okay? You have to read these words. Okay? With the sound and with the spelling. Now the next is T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Then B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, V-A-N. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. C-A-P, cap. K-A-P, cap. K-A-P, cap. Okay? Read these words regularly. Okay? Daily आपको ये words बोलने हैं with the spelling. Then you have some more words on the next page. B-A-D, bad, which are ending with the A-D, ad. A-D, ad. Okay? H-A-D, had. H-A-D, had. L-A-D, lad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. P-A-D, pad. Then you have ending A-G, ag words. Okay? L-A-G, lag. R-A-G, rag. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. W-A-G, wag. W-A-G, wag. Then you have ending am words. Am words. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, am. Y-A-M, yam. Then you have ending A-N letter words. B-A-N, ban. B-A-N, ban. K-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N, ran. T-A-N, tan. T-A-N, tan. Then you have AP sound word. Last ending AP sound word, app. The sound of A is A and the sound of P is P. A-P, app. G-A-P, gap. G-A-P, gap. L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. N-A-P, nap. Then you have ending sound at words. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. SAT, sat, sat. Okay. So these words you have to read loudly with the help of phonic sound and with the help of spellings. Okay. After that, open your maths notebook. Okay. After that, open your maths notebook. Open your maths notebook. Write CW and today's date, that is 22/10/2020. Okay. Write 3939. 3939. Down you have to write by yourself. 3939. 3939. Every time you have to leave the one box. Okay. Then 3939. After completing 3939, you have number 4040. Which number? 4040. Okay. 4040. 4040. 4040. 4040. After that, finishing that, write HW and today's date. Okay. You have to write number from 31 to 40. 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39 and 40 40. Okay. 40 40. Like this you have to write number from 31 to 40. Okay. 31 to 40. 4 times. Okay. 31 to 40 4 times. Okay. After that, open your literacy skill book. Open your literacy skill book to the page number 70. 7070. Write CW and today's date. K. The letter is K. Capital K, small k. What is the sound of K? K. The sound of K is K. K, kite. K, kettle. K, kangaroo. K, king. K, key. What is the sound of K? K. Kennel, keyboard, kid, kitten. Okay. The next page you are having activity page. Write CW and today's date. Take the kangaroo to its friend. Join all the stones with the letters K. हमें क्या करना है? जहाँ जिन जिन stones के ऊपर K लिखा है वो stones को join करके kangaroo को उसके friend के पास पहुँचाना है. Okay? Is it simple? Yes. So now we will start the joining stones. K. जहाँ जहाँ K लिखा है वहाँ आपको ऐसे lines ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके. और कांगारू को उनके फ्रेंड्स के पास पहुंचाना है. सिंपल. हो गया. कांगारू पहुंच गया. ओके. द नेक्स्ट पेज इज ट्रेसिंग द letters and strokes. Write HW and today's date. K. You have to trace on the strokes. You have to trace on the patterns first, then on the letter. Okay. Next is activity. Write CW and today's date. Letter recognition activity. Which picture names begin with the letter K? Write the big and small letter. देखो key for key. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने capital and small both of the letters they have written. Now K for king. So here also you have to write K and small k. Sorry, big K and small k. Capital K and small k. Then K for watermelon. No. K for kite? Yes. Capital K, small k. K for house? No. K for rose? No. K for tub? No. K for kangaroo? Yes. Capital K and small k. Okay. So what is your today's work? You have to read the phonic 3-letter words with the phonic sound. Then 39 and 31 to 40 numbers you have to write in your maths notebook, and K alphabet K letter you have to write in your literacy skill book. Okay. Thank you.